Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today is the day. Today is the day I'm finally unboxing. I know you have been waiting for this unboxing, the 21p unboxing from Chanel. So I'll be showing you what I picked up from Chanel's latest pre-spring 2021 collection. If you're interested, keep watching. I have two purchases to unbox with you and one of them is so special. It's such a unicorn and I can't wait to show you. It is a handbag and I literally had to fight for this handbag, okay? You know all the drama. If you have been following me on my Instagram, you know what I'm talking about, so I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I would love to see you on my Instagram where I show you my daily outfits, new purchases and how I style them. So come say hello on my Instagram as well. I would love to see you there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, of course I have to start with the handbag that I picked up from this new collection, and this bag was so hard to get. It is the most popular piece from this collection, so let's unbox it. This never gets old. When people ask me what's my favorite thing to do, I always say my favorite thing to do is unboxing Chanel because their packaging is absolutely stunning. So here it is, the booklets, one more with the little cloth inside, and can you guys see, it comes in a classic Chanel dust bag. Okay, here it is. Da 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 da. I know. It is mine. I can't believe I managed to get my hands on this beauty. Okay, so I have already unboxed this because I had to check it. I had to see if everything's okay because I purchased this over the phone because we're currently in lockdown here in London. So I have already unboxed it, but every time I hold this bag, every time I see it, I'm like speechless. It is so stunning. This is one of the most beautiful Chanel bags I have seen, and I don't think the camera is doing it justice, so I'll definitely insert some clips so you can see this in its full glory. It is absolutely stunning. You might have thought I bought another double flap classic bag because of the dust bag. It was a bit deceiving. I was surprised as well when I unboxed it at first and I saw the classic dust bag. I was like, oh my god, did they send the wrong bag? Because normally these mini flaps, the rectangular and mini, they're not considered classic. They're seasonal pieces and they come in the black dust bags, so that was a bonus that I got it with the beautiful classic white dust bag. I loved that. My essay is the sweetest. So this is the newest addition to my handbag collection and I am so in love with this little baby. It shimmers so much. The leather is so special. It is lambskin. I know it has some texture and it looks almost like caviar or calf skin, but it's actually lambskin. This little bag is such a chameleon. The color is so unique. If you see it indoors, the color looks very champagne-y. It doesn't glisten as much. The color looks a bit more dull. It is not dull at all. It just doesn't look as sparkly. The color is breathtaking under direct sunlight. It sparkles so much. And also if you see it under flash, so if you wear it in the evening, if you're taking pictures with a flash, the leather looks almost glittery. It looks like liquid gold mixed with glitter. It is so special. Again, I'll try and show you how it looks in different lighting, but it might be a bit trickier to catch on camera. I just fell in love with this color the moment I saw it on Instagram and I started messaging all my essays. It was so difficult to get this bag. I'm not gonna go into details because I already complained on my Instagram. There was a huge drama going on, but at the end I managed to get this little baby. I had a little fight with the manager and they ended up apologizing, but I'm not going to talk about it. At the end I got my little precious bag and I'm so happy. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it during the spring and summer. It will be so perfect. Let me open it up. It has long chain and I'm just gonna open it up so you can see inside. It is gold, and I have one of the Samorga inserts. So as you can see, I have put one of my Samorga inserts. I will definitely order another color that will go with this bag better. I have inserts for all my handbags, and they do have inserts for every single design you can think of. All the new styles, their inserts fit perfectly. They're designed specifically for the style of bag you're buying, so you don't have to worry that the insert will damage your bag or stretch the leather, because they're specifically made to fit exactly inside. So I will show you the structure of the one that I already have. As you can see, it has edges, and it is specifically designed for this style, because you can see the flat bags, the Chanel mini rectangulars and flat bags, they have this edge that goes inside. So the edges are specifically designed for this style to fit and support the structure of the bag. I also have some very fun, beautiful accessories from Samorga that I will show you. They have beautiful chains, so do check them out. I'll definitely use my pearl strap for this bag. I can't wait, especially in spring and summer. It will look so beautiful with the pearly strap. So yeah, this is the new baby. Let me know what you think. I still can't believe I managed to get this bag. It is so special, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let's move on, because I have one more purchase to show you. Okay, here it is. This is a smaller purchase. As you can see, it is one of their costume jewelry pieces. It comes in the limited edition packaging, the Christmas holiday packaging that I hate because of the glitter. The glitter goes everywhere. And this is it. It comes in this beautiful box, again, all wrapped. Oh, they wrap them so nicely. All wrapped in the holiday packaging again. Okay, let's take this off carefully, because the glitter goes everywhere. It is horrible. The glitter is everywhere already. Okay, and here it is. I did mention this. I mentioned in my preview of the collection video. I'll link that one up here in case you've missed it. I mentioned that this is on my wish list. It is the anklet. Okay, so this is the Chanel anklet from the new 21p collection. I saw this online and I messaged my SA straight away. I really liked it. I think it was £410, and it is very cute. It is an anklet, but I definitely can wear it as a bracelet, although it's quite big. I can still wear it, but if you have very small hands, it will be too big. So this is on the shortest setting, and as you can see, I'll insert some clips so you can see better, because you probably won't be able to see it like this, but it is quite big. I think it could be adjusted, so if you bring it to someone who can take a few links off, they can probably shorten it. To be honest, I have been thinking about doing this. I wanted to go and check if they can remove a few links, but the shops are all closed now, so I'll do that once they reopen, because to be honest, it will still fit as an anklet. This is quite long, so even if I take off a few links, I would still be able to wear it as an anklet. I really loved the design of this, because it is so simple, so plain. I've been looking for a bracelet like this. You may know, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I always look at, you know, bracelets, and they always look too much. They're always very pearly, and I wanted something very plain with a few Chanel logos, and this design I loved because of that reason. It is very simple, very plain, a very thin chain bracelet with a few Chanel logos and just 3 little pearls. This is all I wanted in a bracelet. So I thought I would make this work as a bracelet as well, not only an anklet. So basically it will be 2 in 1, because I'll definitely wear it as an anklet in the spring and summer. I love wearing anklets, so I know it is quite pricey for what it is. £410 is quite pricey, but I've been looking forever for a plain bracelet like this, so actually I'm glad that I found this. Before I end this video, I completely forgot to share the price of the rectangular mini. I know many of you will be curious and will ask. So the price of this currently in the UK is £3,200. That's how much I paid. Currently the prices on the square and rectangular minis on the UK website are not available, and I thought that was because of the price increase. I know there was a recent price increase in America. I think on the 15th of January the prices went up. I'm not sure if there will be one here in the UK. I messaged my SAs to ask, but they said they haven't heard of another price increase happening. One of my SAs replied saying there might be one, but it's not confirmed, before the spring-summer collection that is launching mid-March. So just wanted to share that info with you in case you're curious. Currently the prices are still the same, no price increase here, but I know there was a price increase in America. So yeah, I wanted to let you know about the pricing. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think. Did you buy anything from the pre-spring 2021 collection? What is your favorite item? Let's chat in the comment section. There is another handbag from Chanel that I got, when was it? I think beginning of January. I think it was literally like the 1st or 2nd of January, maybe the 2nd of January I received it, but I still haven't unboxed that one. I wanted to unbox this first because it is from the current collection, so I wanted to put this video up first, but there is another handbag unboxing coming soon. I can't wait to show you that one. It is so beautiful. And also there are a few more items from this current collection that I want to get. There is another handbag that I want really badly, but it is impossible to get. And it is still not available here in the UK, and they're expecting stock, so fingers crossed I'll be able to get some more pieces from this collection that I love so much. It is so beautiful. I want everything. Chanel kills it with this new collection, okay? I'm literally broke. I'll be broke soon if they don't stop releasing such beautiful items soon. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you very soon in my next video, which will probably be my Van Cleef vlog and unboxing. So don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.